Alright guys, so I got a whole bunch of little projects going on. I just tore that new bottom end apart, did the clutch, I had to take out the crankshaft. It was actually 44 millimeters, but I had to make one for this anyways, for what I'm going to do to it. So that's coming up. This is going to be a really cool freaking build when I'm done. And then I got its big brother here if the first one works. So anyways, here's the next thing. I got a power jet carb. It is 21 millimeter. We're going to try this on the MS460. I got the new carbon fiber reed block. So that'll be going on. And then I have the plate to match it. That's 21 millimeter. So, and for whatever reason, I had people asking me about my tube. And what I did is I did stuff a smaller piece in there. It'll show you what I did though. Because everyone said, oh, there's a shelf. I do not have a shelf. And you can't see it, so hold on one second. Alright, that should be a little better. Alright, if you look down in there, see, I don't have a shelf. Mine meets the tube. It's got a nice transition to it. What I did is I 3D print pieces out of nylon so that there's a transition, because otherwise you get puddling. So everything's nice and smooth all the way through. This will fit right on this new carb perfectly, like so. I'll probably put a new piece of tubing on at some point, but yeah, I mean, this is going to work out really well, and everything free flows. So, but my whole intake is actually all nice and smooth all the way to the, everything's 21 millimeters on the MS460 anyways, the whole square intake, so I matched everything when I did my reed valve. But yeah, so I got this little carbon fiber one to try out. This is going to be interesting, and I hope that explains how I get by the puddling effect in the tube. I 3D print spacers, and they're like a wedge in there, so I don't have that turbulence. And then inside this, I'll hold on 1 minute. Alright guys, so I hope this explains what I'm going to do here. People were asking this one. I literally just pulled this out of the bike. This is a reed stuffer. Okay. And what it does is it goes in and sits nice and flat. So everything matches and you don't get that area of turbulence, and it makes it all free flow out to the pedals. So, well, actually it goes like that. But anyways, just so you can see, that's a reed stuffer. That's 21 millimeters printed too, the circle. So that's what it'll do. It's just focus all the airflow right into the central point. So, yeah. So we're going to do this whole big setup here. We're going to put these three in and see how it runs. But I got that build coming in a couple days, and I got that other one coming, parts for it, and we'll get some stuff going here shortly. But I got a couple. This one's going to be really neat if it works out, so stay tuned. And I am going to be doing a giveaway soon. This one will be going out the door. It is the piston, just like last time with the YD100, so a couple days we'll be doing that. But this is that whole brand new top end I took out the other day. It's got everything. So, we'll be giving that one away in a couple days. And stay tuned.